in temples raised, us in the fires and salted earth. I can see the message breathing still, breathing still. I can hear the voices sounding deep inside, deep inside. I can feel the hero rising up above the silence. Your soul remembers yet the path that men forget. I bring the winds to free you from your hesitation. I call the storm to remind you what you are. My faith endures for the sake of something less and more in them. And so I bring the wind, so I bring the wind in your heart. Drifting scenes of shameful things to haunt corrupted will. The lion pacing at the edge guards the keep that fate once built. My constitution in your soul, a vessel for your light. Eyes drift toward the northern fires, a beacon to the ocean of the night. I can see the message breathing still, breathing still. I can hear the voices sounding deep inside, deep inside. I can feel the hero rising up above the silence. Your soul remembers yet the path that men forget. I bring the winds to free you from your hesitation. I call the storm to remind you what you are. My faith endures for the sake of something less and more in them. And so I bring the wind, so I bring the wind in your heart. I can see the message breathing still, breathing still. I can hear the voices sounding deep inside, deep inside. I can feel the hero rising up above the silence. Your soul remembers yet the path that men forget. I bring the winds to free you from your hesitation. I call the storm to remind you what you are. My faith endures for the sake of something less and more in them. And so I bring the wind, so I bring the wind in your heart. I bring the winds to free you from your hesitation. I call the storm to remind you what you are. My faith endures for the sake of something less and more in them. And so I bring the wind, so I bring the wind in your heart. My body's made of fire, black and deep and cold. love and turn to hate with the rage of the seraphs at my side. The punishments I carry are of my own design. For once I brought the hand of God, and now this gift is mine. And love will keep me tethered, for my wings are stripped of salty sea. Swims an ocean silently. Swims the forest of my dreams. Swims the essence I call me.
Reduced to ashes, we run colder on the outside. A Spartan hope that dwindles near the source of discontent. What has my hopeful certainty for the future turned upon my desperations and difficult memory, besides wasted moments, whose questions are not resolved. Simple things will carry best, until such time as they suddenly pass away. Losing you shall forever mark my past.
The gamut flow of shifting thought shall ride a kiss upon my cross, and with each moment of despair lays an utter lovely tear. Within each foam the salty sea swims an ocean silently. Swims the forest of my dreams. Swims the essence of my being. Swimming now with tears in my eyes, shall ride a kiss upon my cross. I hope that this is the last time. I hope that this is the last time. Swimming on the tears in my eyes, swimming an ocean silently. I hope that this is the last my dreams. I hope that this is the last my being. Swimming on with tears in my eyes, shall ride a kiss upon my cross. And with that this is the last of despair, I hope that this is the last of tear. We're swimming on the tears in my eyes, swims an ocean silently. I swear that this is the last my dreams. I swear that's the essence of my being.
is beyond concept in so much as all elements by which concept